Alright guys, so right back at you. This is a different video I'm making today because it's something. I got a new best friend. Okay, I got a new best friend, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. I got the iPhone in blue, so I thought, you know, I'd make a different video today. Alright, instead of the usual stuff, I'm gonna show you an unboxing video on his channel, which is super cool because I never did one on this channel, but it's my first time. But anyway, let's get to the point. This is my new iPhone blue XR, or 10R as they say. I like calling it XR, I don't know why, but yeah. Anyway, here is what the box looks like, and it has iPhone written at the side here. I got a 256 gig model unlocked because I paid a full price. I bought it directly from Apple. So let's unbox it. It's kind of awkward, but what the hell, right? Alright, so we got a little tab right here with a green thing. You know, speaking of green, I was hoping they'd have a green color like my jacket, or like green burger, but apparently they don't. So that's kind of sucky. But what? I still got blue though. Blue is my favorite color anyway. So let's check this out. This unlocked. Open this blue iPhone. All right, here we go. We got the plastic out of it there. All right, cool. More of the box. Let's open up the top. See what we got inside, bro. Girls and bros. Now you can see, I don't know if you can see my face, it's a lot of Twilight action that's going on. This part is bright, this part is dark, but what the hell. Alright, so we got your pamphlets in here, your pamphlets. But let's get straight to the point. Phone, because that's what I'm after right here. This beautiful blue phone. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, okay. Oh wow. Got the cops passing by. Welcome to New York. Well, actually that's the ambulance truck. What the hell. Alright, so I got my blue iPhone right here. Check it out. 1, 2. And you can see the back of it right here. Alright. 1, 2. And check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that a beautiful color? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a beautiful color, man. And the front, of course, the front doesn't have anything except that notch that people be talking about. Damn. Let's see how it feels in the hand. It feels pretty good. Now, up until now, I've been using this cheap iPhone. Well, it's not cheap. I mean, it's an old iPhone, about 3 or 4 years old. This iPhone 6S, which is good. It's no problems. Still working good. Like I got it on day one. No problems. I got some. See. All right. So anyway, go back to this phone. This is a super duper beautiful phone. All right. So let's see what's in the box right here. Comes with your normal stuff. It comes with a regular charger, not a fast charger. Comes with a headphone piece here that connects directly to the phone. Okay, and you also have your lightning cable right there. All right, so I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing. Now let's open up this phone and let's see if it turns on. Let's take off the plastic off of this beautiful phone, this beautiful work of art right here. Take it off. Take it all off. See, take it all off. All right. Look at that clear screen. Now you can see a much closer inspection of the sides of the phone. Right here you got your volume rocker and your switch at the side, your charging port and your speaker, and over here you have your on-off button, and of course you have your SIM card right here. You could just push the needle and take out your old SIM card. Now I bought the AT&T version. As long as you pay full price, it's unlocked. You don't need a SIM-free version. The thing you have to do is pay full price, and it's unlocked. You can use it with any carrier: Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile. It doesn't matter. AT&T, obviously. So let's turn it on. Let's see if it works. All right. Now, the reason why I got this phone is because I think it's time to try something new. Let's see if he has any juice inside of it. Oh, there it goes. Turns on. Check that out. All right. Let's wait. Let's give it a couple seconds for it to turn on. All right. Let's see what's on this. Nobody cares much about the pamphlets, but let's just see for curiosity if they have any stickers in here. Yep. Right here, the stickers. Can't miss that sticker. I don't know if you can see it. Got some other stuff in here. Oh, hola. Okay. Okay. Let's get in there. Okay, hello. All right, start it up now. All right, cool. So, ooh, this is a nice big screen. It's the liquid retina screen, they call it. Some people complain about the resolution not being full HD, but I think Apple is on to something here because, see how we can start this up. Okay. It gives me my information. Let's see if we could just get out of here. Oh man, come on, man! It's giving me my MEID number, my screen name, my social SN number, not screen name, MEIMEI, and my ICCID number. But I'm trying to get out of here. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get out of here. I know about all that, but let's see. Swipe to open. Okay, there you go. Have to swipe from the bottom up. Okay, something new. Okay, no longer you have the home button. Okay, so it's all finger processed. All right. So, of course, you choose your language right here. I'm going to choose English and choose the United States. And you got a quick start. All right. I'm going to set mine up manually because that's how I am, you know. Choose a Wi-Fi network. I'm not connected. I'm not even home right now. So I'm parked far away from the house. So I'm not even going to try that. I'm just going to choose another network, see if I can. Other network. How do I get out of here now? Okay, let's go back. It says connect to iTunes if your Wi-Fi network is not available. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to have to drive home, connect to my Wi-Fi network, or put in a SIM card or something to make it all work. But anyways, this is an awesome phone. The only thing I didn't like about this phone is the notch. Okay, the notch on top. You can see the notch right here. I did not like that notch on top right there. Okay, but I'm willing to compromise because the camera has a full HD 60 frames per second front-facing camera, as well as a 4K 60 frames per second back-facing camera. Has the same cameras as the newer that came out last month, the iPhone XS and the XX Max, or the 10X, 10S and the 10XS Max that came out last month. Same cameras, everything's the same. Basically, everything's the same. The only thing different is the LCD screen versus the OLED screen. Not screen. It's not Halloween yet. The OLED screen on the more expensive models, on the iPhone XX Max, and this has the regular LCD. But according to Apple, it's been updated to a newer liquid retina display. They're calling it apparently. So let's see if it works out. But so far, it looks really, really clear. You really can't even notice. I haven't noticed any difference yet so far. But beside that, the internals are the same. Has the new A12 Bionic chip from Apple, just like the other phones that came out last month, the XS and the XX Max. So everything's the same. The only difference is the screen and the camera in the back, which only has one lens, compared to the telephoto lens on the other one, which has two of them. This has one, but does all of the main stuff. God, look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? Now, if it was green, like the burger I had yesterday, that'd be awesome, man. Okay, that would be really, really awesome. Okay, because I would love that green color. You know, I mean, this phone here, it's so chic. Look at that, chic. Okay, this is the new chic. Okay, orange being the new black. This is the new chic. Okay, look at this. Look how beautiful that is, man. Okay, man, I gotta give a shout out to Apple for making such a nice, beautiful phone. But what are you gonna do? It also records in stereo, which is also good. And it also, okay, it's fully manual. So I just thought I'd show you. Oh yeah, speaking of that, I got my case going on right here. I got this case from the rainforest. You know what rainforest I'm talking about? Yeah, the Amazon rainforest. So let me open up this case here. See how it looks with the case. I paid about $7 for this. The phone I paid about $1,000. One payment so I can get it unlocked. So here's my case right here for the iPhone XR or 10R. Clear, so I want to show off my new blue color. And I'm just going to put it inside. Put it inside, okay? Just put it inside right there. Just get it in there, alright? Alright, cool, look at that. Now, I didn't get a screen protector yet. I'm going to get one soon. But I just got the case to be prepared. You know, looks good. It fits all the notches and stuff. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Even has these bumper things here at the side that if it falls down should help protect the phone. But yeah, it's looks pretty cool, man. I could just, you're gonna see me walking around the phone like this. People say, hey man, you got the new iPhone, yo. So yeah, I'm gonna be rocking this phone. You know, it's not the XS Max, but I don't see a difference. You understand? But this phone looks cool. I like it. I like the internals. So I just thought I'd show you guys my new iPhone XR or 10R. Okay, so right back at you. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. And subscribe and hit the notification if you want to see more of my videos. And right back at you. All right, so check you out next time. Look at that beautiful phone, man. Woo! Woo!